Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to see blocked WhatsApp contacts on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this on our iOS devices, it can be either iPad or iPhone. We need to go to WhatsApp. Now here we have chats, contacts, calls. We press Settings. And then we're going to open Privacy. And here we have blocked contacts. Click here. Here we have all the blocked contacts that we have ever blocked. If we want to see someone or unblock someone, you can scroll down. Click on a number. Now click down and click Unblock. After that, we were able to unblock that person. You can also press Edit. And like this, select Contacts, press Unblock, and press Unblock again. That's how easy it is to see the blocked contacts in WhatsApp. If you liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.